So now students, in this video we are going to discuss about the classification of alcohols. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the classification of alcohols. Okay, so basically students, as you all know that in alcohols the hydroxyl group is hydroxyl group replaces one hydrogen atom from the aliphatic hydrocarbon. Okay, so students, on the basis of this replacement, or you can say the attachment of the hydroxyl group on the type of the carbon, they are first divided into the compound containing carbon sp3 hybridized OH bond. Okay, it means that the OH group or your hydroxyl group will be attached to that carbon atom, which will be your sp3 hybridized. Okay, so in that case it is divided into three parts. First one is your primary, then secondary, and then tertiary. Let's see the example for it. For example, this R can be your any alkyl group, and this as you can see that in this the OH group is attached to the primary carbon atom. Okay, so that is why it is known as a primary alcohol. Okay, so the common example for this is your ethanol, which is your C2H5OH, which is your ethanol is your ethyl alcohol, which you commonly call it as ethyl alcohol. Then secondary secondary alcohol. So in this case, students, the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized atom, but in this case it is a secondary carbon, because in this case the two hydrogen atoms are replaced by the two alkyl groups. Okay, that is why we call it as a secondary hydrocarbon, or the alcohol formed by this will be your secondary alcohol. Okay, the example for this you can take as propane 2-ol. Okay, CH3 CH OH and CH3. Okay, this is a propane 2-ol. Okay, so now moving on to the next part, which is your tertiary alcohol. So in case of tertiary alcohol, this all the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by the alkyl group. Okay, and the one hydrogen left is replaced by the OH group. Okay, so that is why it is known as the tertiary alcohol. This is your tertiary alcohol. And the example for this you can take as the 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Okay, like this. Here, as you can see that this carbon is being the hydrogen of all the three hydrogens of carbon are replaced by the alkyl group, and the left one hydrogen is replaced by the OH group. This is your 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Okay, so this is your example of tertiary alcohol. Okay, so now moving forward means that the compound, when the OH group will be attached to the sp3 carbon bond, then first it is divided into primary, secondary, and tertiary, and also it can be classified as the allylic alcohols. Okay, so students, basically what are allylic alcohols? So in these alcohols the hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon next to a carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so these alcohols can be classified can also be classified as the primary, secondary, and the tertiary allylic alcohols. Okay, So here is an example of your allylic alcohol. Here is this example of your allylic alcohol. CH2 double bond CH, then CH2 OH. Okay, so as I explained it to you, as I told you the definition of the allylic alcohols, that in this the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, so here this OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. As you can see here, that here is the carbon-carbon double bond, and this OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is in just next to the carbon-carbon double bond. This is also an example of your primary allylic alcohol. As I told you that the allylic alcohols can also be primary, secondary and tertiary. So this is your primary allyl alcohol. Okay, the example for your secondary allylic alcohol you can have as CH2 CH, then this CH OH and CH3. Okay, so this is your secondary allylic alcohol. And for tertiary allyl alcohol, and for tertiary you can have this hydrogen will also be get replaced by the alkyl group. As I told you before, that when all the hydrogen atoms present on the carbon atom is replaced by the alkyl group, then it is known as the tertiary hydrocarbon. Okay, so in this case the left one hydrogen will also be replaced by the alkyl group. Okay, so this will have CH3, then CH3, and this is your OH. Okay, so here you can see that this OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom in each case, but it is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. That is why it is known as the allylic alcohols.